Are you ready to make sure your garden not only survives but thrives this fall? November is the secret month that most gardeners overlook, and it could be the reason your garden isn't reaching its full potential. But an OT this year. Stick with me, and I'll show you the 10 must-do tasks that'll set your garden up for success. Task 1. Clean up debris. All right, first things first, let's clear out the fallen leaves, dead plants, and garden clutter. This is more than just tidying up. Leaving debris can harbor pests and diseases that'll wreak havoc come spring. So, grab that rake and let your garden breathe. Task 2. Mulch madness next. We're talking mulch. November is the perfect time to lay down a fresh layer of mulch. It's like tucking your plants in with a warm blanket. Mulch will help retain moisture, suppress those pesky weeds, and keep your soil temperatures steady during frosty nights. Task 3. Protect tender plants. Got some plants that are sensitive to cold? It's time to baby them. Wrap or cover tender plants with burlap or even old bed sheets. Trust me, those chilly winds can be brutal, but a little extra protection goes a long way. Task 4. Plant bulbs for spring blooms now. I know it's hard to think of spring when it's getting colder, but if you want a stunning garden come March, now's the time to plant those bulbs. Tulips, daffodils, and crocuses, get them in the ground before it freezes, and you'll be rewarded with a burst of color when you need it most. Task 5. Check on your compost. Your compost pile doesn't go on vacation just because it's cold. Turn your compost one last time before winter hits. Add in some fallen leaves to keep it cooking all season long. Healthy compost equals healthy soil, simple as that. Task 6. Prepare your perennials. It's time to give your perennials some TLC. Cut back dead stems and clean up around the base of each plant. This will not only make your garden look cleaner, but also prevent diseases from setting in during the colder months. Task 7. Prune your trees and shrubs got overgrown branches. November is ideal for some selective pruning. Remove dead or damaged branches to improve air circulation and avoid heavy snow breaking them. But remember, don't go crazy with the pruning. Keep it light and strategic. Task 8. Winterize your tools. Let's not forget the tools that do all the heavy lifting. Clean and oil your pruners, shovels, and other garden tools. Store them properly so you're not starting the next season with rusty, dull tools. Future you will thank you for this one. Task 9. Give your lawn some love. Don't forget the lawn. Give it one last mow, and then aerate it to prevent waterlogging during those winter rains. A little attention now will save you from dealing with a soggy mess in the spring. Task 10. Plan for next year, finally. Take a moment to plan ahead. November is the best time to think about what worked and what didn't this past season. Make notes, dream up new ideas, and maybe even sketch out a new garden layout. Planning ahead now means less guesswork later. There you have it, 10 essential garden tasks for November to ensure your garden is thriving, not just surviving, this fall. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment with your favorite garden prep tip. And if you're ready to take your gardening to the next level, hit that subscribe button and join our growing community of garden enthusiasts. Happy gardening!